All right, boys and girls, so when I'm subtracting fractions today with unlike denominators, you will use the fraction strips that are attached in the Google Classroom. So they want to know 5/10 minus 1/5, what is the difference? So first they lined up our 5/10. So I'm going to do the same thing over here on my model. I have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, and 5/10. And I'm going to take away 1/5. So I'm going to put that on the bottom. The other day we put it on the same line because we're adding. Now, since we're subtracting, we have to put it below. So now I'm going to see in this part over here, this blank space over here, how much would I need to fill in the difference there? Because they're not the same, they're different. So I have to find the difference of 5/10, the first fraction, minus the 1/5. Okay, and like I said yesterday, think of how 10 and 5 relate to each other. Maybe you're thinking, oh, well, 1/3 looks fine here, but again, 3 has nothing to do with 5 and 10, so that's not a good choice, and plus, as we see, it goes past the line there. So if I'm trying one of these, maybe I know 10 and 5, something that's in common, is the 10th here. That would be a common multiple, and it does fit. Now, how many times does this fraction fit into that empty space? It was 3/10. Okay, so if I'm taking 5/10 and minus 1/5, my difference is going to be 3/10. Okay, you'll do the same thing for the next one. Again, to get these off of your screen, you simply just take it, click it, and slide it out of there. And again, I'm always starting with my 1 because remember, fractions are equal parts of a whole number 1 here. This time I have 5, 6. I'm going to put 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, whoopsie, on the same line, 4, 6, and 5, 6. And I'm taking away 3/4 this time, so I'm going to take away, remember, put this on the second line, 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. And this time I only have a little small section here. So again, you're going to find that something that 4 and 6 have in common. If I'm looking at this, I can see, excuse me, if I chose that 1/6, it goes past the line. So I'm not going to choose 1/6, and it would have to be a smaller fraction. Okay, so what I'm looking at now is I could put 1/12 here because 6 and 4, something that relates to them would be the number 12. 4 times 3 is 12, 6 times 2 is 12. And the 1/12 here fits perfectly in the blank spot, the difference between the two fractions. So 5, 6 minus 3/4 gives me the difference of 1/12. Okay? And you're going to go through, use your fraction strips just like I've done here. Now, on these, they show you the difference. You can use your fraction model over here, as always. And then this time when I'm writing the difference, it's going to be in fractions form. So when you click this, you will have to use this fraction symbol over here to write your answer. Same thing with number 4 and 5 and 6 and so on and so on. Okay? And that's how you do 6.2 today. Good luck.